Happy 2019, America from the Philippines. This is John and Perita Perez in San Carlos City, Palaming, Pangasinan, the Luzon area of the Philippines. Oh, God bless you all. We hope you have a blessed 2019. Thank you, God, for 2018 and all the blessings you have given us in 2018 and all the blessings you'll give us in 2019. Thank you for joining us and watching our channel. Thank you for watching John and Perita Perez's Philippines Adventures. And so go back and watch our videos and see some of the things that we saw here in the Philippines, including our marriage. Oh, wow.